This is a wood construction connectors by STRONGTIE. These are specially designed to provide support for wood structural system. You can see the metal connectors. These are the very crucial for securing wood to wood or wood to concrete connections. Straight stringers need to be properly connected to the deck and threads properly connected to the stringers in order to resist load and perform reliably over time. Artificial landscape grass provides a natural, just mown, all green looking surface for lawns and patios. Artificial landscape grass is porous, ensuring that lawns look perfectly manicured any time of the year. It also requires very little maintenance, so there is no need to water, weed or mow. These who own pets and find that their animals are ruining their natural lawn often find that artificial grass is the perfect solution. Artificial lawns are pet friendly and can ensure an order-free environment. Concrete building blocks, due to their unique size, shape and properties, allow for the construction of a house as little as 2 to 3 weeks. Polyblocks are made from environmentally friendly concrete, which consists 90% filler of naturally occurring sands and 10% binder. Compared to conventional concrete to polycare, concrete has lots of beneficial features when it comes to water consumption, carbon emission, comprehensive strength and density. Polycare blocks have insulation built in. This keeps the buildings cool in the summer and warm in winter. This is another mind-blowing tool for construction, presenting CLAPA-FLOOR Master. The main advantage of this device is the possibility of convenient and precise screed execution while minimizing manual work. Half an hour of training is enough for a new person to start working with the machine. All machines have a remote control, which makes it even easier to work with them. The efficiency of the machine allows you to make up to 100 square meters of screed per hour, which saves time and money. Automatic screeding robot can be used with sand and cement screeds. Pre-mix material and screeds with additives, and working with the machine allow one operator to avoid many occupational diseases. This is mind-blowing innovation. Look at this building whose rooms, or you can say office boxes, can be rotatable anytime according to your need. It can rotate completely 90 degrees, that extends the living and working space and creates a large terrace in the desired season and weather. COBIAX is a structural form for the production of material efficient, lightweight reinforced concrete slabs. These structural formers are made from 100% recycled plastic. Because of this structure, uses of concrete is reduced up to 35%. These formers are available in different sizes with a total of 19 different combinations. Very easy to use, just place the slab all over the area and just pour the concrete top of it. VUBA-RESIN is a company which makes building blocks from both recycled and unrecycled plastic waste. This is the first plastic waste diversion platform designed to enable communities and corporations with the ability to take control of their plastic waste and transform it into a high-demand reusable building material called VUBA. Each system is custom engineered to meet the specific needs of your community. Using only steam and compression by fusion, zero waste process plastic waste into BioBlock without secondary additives or fillers. And it is our responsibility to not use plastic in our daily life. Have you ever thought how simple it is for a single person to build a cabin? Watch the video. This is a small cabin by Quick Cabin. I mean, look at this for yourself that it's convenient, fast and the best solution for cabin lovers. The Quick Cabin is modular, lightweight, rugged, insulated and easy to set up. It comes as a complete kit and the only tool required for a setup is a screwdriver. The Quick Cabin components are UV treated, making for a long lasting shelter. The shape of the Quick Cabin's walls create a surprising amount of usable space without a large footprint. Each modular component is very lightweight, non-exceeding 30 lbs, making it easy for anyone to be able to set it up. Resin bound surfacing is growing in a popularity week by week because resin bound is one of the attractive, durable and practical surfacing solutions. Mixing both resin and aggregates together in a mixture, this creates a mixture that can be poured onto a surface to provide a smooth, flat surface finish. Resin bound is fully permeable and SUD is compliant, meaning water drains through the aggregated surface easy and quickly. This is perfect for easing flood water and river pollutions. This is an expandable polystyrene roof insulation installation process. First, the beams are laid and then lightweight EPS blocks are placed on them. The last, after all that, finally a layer of concrete is poured over the mesh and leveled. MASSENZA is a specific tool for soil testing and sampling within the first 20 meters, small in size but with the highest versatility. The MASSENZA is the perfect low-cost solution for a broad range of soil testing methods. Due to the low weight and the modular setup, it is also applicable for limited access drilling and working in closed rooms. The entire setup can be transported in a small van or trailer, giving the operator a great deal of flexibility. ZIPBOLT worktop connectors, kit by Trend Tool Technology, engineered by kitchen installers for kitchen installers. With a unique patented design for easy worktop joining and over 4 times faster than conventional bolts to fit, available in sizes to suit all types and thickness of worktop.